My name is Edith Heckert, and I'm a senior, of course, living in a senior complex right now. And I ended up in the hospital for 2 days, and my doctor suggested that I call Jacqueline at Heaven Heights and daycare and see what they had, and I did. And I am so happy with all of this that's going on. I didn't know about that the vets would would assist me in any way. My husband was a veteran, so she said that and took me all around to show me everything. And it really worked out fine so far. I haven't had any problems. Everything is going just fine.